Hi there, Asorockers. Today, we're going to be showing you how to resize your transporter timepiece to your wrist using the Asorock Resizing Toolkit. Let's go. So, step 1. After deciding how many links you want to take out of your transporter, you would position the watch band on the watch toolkit, pushing out from the opposite direction of the arrow. So you would be pushing out from here, the rounded part. That one. So position it on the watch repair toolkit. Carefully position it, and then just screw it like a screwdriver. Takes a minute. Screwing. Then you're gonna hear a ding. Then the link is gonna come out. Unscrew. Unscrew. Watch. And the pin, just pull it out. Put it carefully to the side over there. Now you have a separate link. So now we have the links separated. Now we're gonna take out 2 more. If you decide to take out 3, you will take out 2 from here and then take out 1 from here. But since for this video we'll be taking out 2 links, we will just take out 2 from here. Once again, we'll be pushing from the opposite direction of the arrow. Bring our toolkit and position it opposite side of the arrow. And once again, just gently align it and screw. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, I would advise you take it to your local jewelry store. They usually do this resizing for free. It's real quick. But if you feel comfortable doing it by yourself, it's very easy. So once again, pull it out and keep it safely to the side. So now you've taken out 2 links from your transporter watch. I advise you keep this in a safe place in case you want to resell your transporter and pass it on to the new owner. So now we're just gonna close it back up. And please note, to close it back up, this is where the arrows come into effect. We're gonna be pushing it back in from the arrows direction. And we're gonna make sure that the last part that goes in is the screwdriver looking part. A second to magnify. Yeah, the screwdriver looking part. And the part that goes in first is the round, normal looking part. And here's your pin. So this is the screw. So this goes in like this, okay? So, putting your transporter timepiece back together. You're gonna connect it, hold it, bring the pin. All right? Remember, the screw part goes in last, all right? And you're gonna push in following the arrow's direction downwards. So put that there. And if you align it correctly, it should go straight in like that. And now you might notice this piece sticking in. All you have to do is just push it down. And voila, you've successfully resized your Asorock Transporter timepiece. Please subscribe and like this video for more Asorock